Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to modify an image in Midjourney. First of all, open your Midjourney on your Discord. Once it is opened, all you have to do is upload your picture. For example, here's my picture, and I will upload that picture on Midjourney by just dragging and dropping the image, and I will hit enter to upload my image. Once my image has been uploaded, all you have to do is right click on your image and click on copy link. Once copied, then you have to go to the text section and type /imagine, and then you have to paste the link of your image. For example, you have to press Ctrl V. Once the image link has been pasted, then you have to give a space and type in your prompt. For example, I will type my prompt as people in the foreground. Once typed, if you want to use the version 5 of Midjourney, you have to give a space and type -- and type V and give a space and type 5. Now that means you are using the version 5 of Midjourney. Now if you want to increase the weight of your image, all you have to do is give a space once again, type -- and type IW, which stands for image weight, give a space, and you can give any number of weight. For example, I will type the maximum number of weight, which is 2. I will type 2 and hit enter. So as you can see, to do this, I have to subscribe to Midjourney, but the way I'm showing you is the correct way. If you are subscribed to Midjourney, then you can modify your image in Midjourney with this exact same method. So you can do this and tell me in the comments, did it work for you or not? So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.